Hello friends, welcome to acubeias YouTube channel. This session is a part of our daily current affairs series. In today's session, we'll discuss about Smog Tower. So recently, Delhi has got its new Smog Tower. So in this session, we'll try to understand why we need these smog towers and what is the functioning of these smog towers. And before we try to understand about smog towers, let's try to understand the meaning of the word smog. Now, smog, it is the combination of the word smoke plus fog. It means when the smoke is foggy, then it is smog. Okay. Now, this smog, it is generated because of vehicular emission, coal combustion, and forest fires, and etc. Now, before we try to understand about smoke towers, you must know that we have some other methods as well. We have some other devices as well which are used in order to purify air pollution, like scrubbers. So, at the industrial level, scrubbers are used. These scrubbers use liquid in order to purify the gases. But these scrubbers cannot be used at large scale. That's why we have downdraft air cleaning system. So this system, downdraft air cleaning system, is used in these smoke towers. Now, what exactly happens under this system? We'll try to understand that. So under this downdraft air cleaning system, polluted air, it is sucked at the top. Okay, so here the polluted air is being sucked, and the purified air, it is released at the bottom. Okay, so this is the purified air and it is the polluted air at the top. Okay, in China they use updraft system. It means in China, in those smoke towers which are there in China, polluted air is sucked at the bottom and purified air, it is released at the top. Okay, so it is different than the system in China. So you must know about this updraft system and downdraft system. So in India we use downdraft air cleaning system. In China they use updraft air cleaning system. Now, why do we need these smoke towers? Well, we know that Delhi is one of the most polluted cities in the world. And in 2019, Supreme Court asked central government and Delhi government to prepare a roadmap on installing these smoke towers. So this is being done under the directive of the Supreme Court. Okay, so these details are important for your upcoming prelims. Just remember the point that India is using downdraft air cleaning system and China is using updraft air cleaning system. You must know about the word smoke. Okay, besides that you should have the understanding about the need. Okay, why we need these smoke towers. Okay, and you can download these notes, and I'm providing the notes. You can download these notes, and if you have liked our initiative, you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos. You can follow our social media platforms for daily current affairs content, and if you have any suggestions you can mention in the comment section. That's all for today's session. I'll see you in the next session soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.